subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching OnePlus 11R back in February this year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as OnePlus 12R, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specifications has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with MySmartPrice. According to leaks and rumors, the OnePlus 12R will feature a flat 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that will house a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone looks to have a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that will include a 50-megapixel primary camera, along with the 32-megapixel telephoto lens, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage. The smartphone packs with a massive 5,500 mAh battery that will support 100 watts fast charging, and it will run on upcoming Android 14 based on Oxygen OS 14 skin on top. Apart from this, there is no other details of OnePlus 12R smartphone has leaked so far, and it is expected to launch by January next year. So as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus 12R smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.